This review is of Bake Believe semi-sweet, 45%, no sugar added, chocolate chips. It's GMO-free, stevia sweetened baking chips, fair trade certified ingredients, vegan, GMO-free. Also peanut, tree nut, dairy, soy, eggs, gluten, shellfish, and fish-free. Wow, that's pretty good. And it is parv, so in that respect, it's safe for Jews and Muslims. So 45% fair trade ingredients. It's made for Bake Believe. They don't make it themselves. Yeah, of course, all these companies that don't make their own products. Nutrition facts. 60 calories in 1 tablespoon, 4 grams of fat, of which 2.5 are saturated, and that would be from the cocoa butter. No cholesterol or sodium. 10 grams of carbs, of which 5 are dietary fiber, so that's really good. And no sugars because there's erythritol in there, 4 grams, and a gram of protein. Erythritol, by the way, is safe for diabetics. There's also chocolate liqueur, inulin, and yeah, so this is probably something that a diabetic can eat, although I'm not sure about the inulin. Let's go ahead and give it a try. And oh, the stevia, of course, is also safe for diabetics. It's the xylitol and maltitol that diabetics should avoid. Honestly, the chocolate flavor is really mild. And although it's great that there's all these things missing, most of these things are missing from the majority of chocolate chips, so it's just kind of marketing. Yeah, a little bit cool in the mouth, and it's just kind of a mild chocolate flavor, so it's pretty disappointing for me in that respect. Yeah. So because I've had 45% chocolate, it was more chocolate. It was chocolatey, more chocolatey than this. Several, in fact. So I don't know if it's because of the sweeteners or what it is, but it's just underwhelming. So I'll give it a 6. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.